Hey, it's Dude. That's the crew. Jason's always hiding. We're at the world's largest fireworks store, buying some fireworks stuff. You come crew with us too, and blow stuff up. Here we are, crew. Shelton. I can't really see, but world's largest fireworks store. Right here, maybe northwest. That's 94. Just over there is Lake Michigan. All right, there's that. The baby is excited to see. Oh, look at that!
You gonna get a cart?
We're gonna get a cart?
Or are we just looking?
Well, I think Al Bundy wants to buy the whole store. You could buy them, yeah. What? So I like how they have these outside. And they're firework named or firework dillies. Ah. Punks free at checkout? What does that mean? And it looks like.
Stupid.
Yeah, those are dumb. It's just the color. The color of the outside. It's not like they actually do that color.
Yeah.
But
How much are the other ones sparklers?
sparkler wall. These are 69 cents
So $6.89
each. Yeah. Jason found some ginormous ones. I've never seen them before. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh my gosh. And that's 50 bucks. Whoa. The baby wants Hey Bear.
$6 each.
Lightsaber.
Just like hold fire.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Wow.
It says watch me. Let's watch it. You can QR
Oh
code it.
yeah, there you go. Does it work, crew? But I like the.
Pull out your phone. Try it.
Okay.
I like that.
I'm gonna try it.
Right?
I think it's too round to catch it. See? Because you gotta get all four corners in there.
Mm-hmm. I don't think they did that right.
No.
A big ol' dilly area of
Remember, Jesse asked
Whoa.
me, all I want are smoke bombs. One
smoke
year.
balls. Yeah.
It's Mjolnir.
'Cause they're fun.
What? The Mjolnir.
These are
Just different kind of
350.
smoke. Just smoke balls.
I was like, okay.
Why not?
So I got
That's
a bunch
easy.
of blue ones.
Yeah.
5 minute smoke.
No, 5 minute.
5
Get
minutes.
rid of those bugs.
That's true.
I kind of want to get one and time it. Is it really 5 minutes? That's insane.
Huge cake, and this is.
Or is it 52?
Oh, 52. Maybe it's 52. Oh, 52. I gotta learn to read. Okay, this one's 45 bucks.
Jumbo color smoke ball.
You have to get one.
So here's a long shot of the store. Oh, dude, that looks cool. It's like a strobe tower, but things on the side too.
$4 each. Whoa.
Whoa.
Do you go?
40-inch parachute. But how many shots? I'm not sure how many shots, unless I'm not reading it. There's, I don't know what a bunch of these are. Shoots, flag shoots. 4-piece. And then a bunch of those.
So when they say a box, are they talking about like this
Yeah.
or this?
No, of course not a box like that.
Imagine that.
Here are fountains.
Super tiny ones.
Yeah, I think all these are fountains. Plum flower, report, flower power.
Yes, it does say power.
Man, this is a little overwhelming. A bug box? I don't know. A little fountain. Crackling glitter cone. I think also a fountain.
Cover it?
No, you don't cover it.
Uncover it.
You uncover it and then light it, and I'm pretty sure the little house, the pagoda dilly,
Comes up.
pops up, yeah, when you light it. But look at this. Iceberg. These are still just like fountains. Rooster, maybe the rooster poops. The same with the frog, maybe. Or maybe not. Maybe it shoots out stuff. Oh, tractor. Oh, this is very Indiana. Tractor. Dragon bus. I don't know. There it is. Dragon boat. A boat. Boats. There's a, oh, I think you like this, and then it goes forward. Crew, there's just so much here. Oh, wow. Space Warrior.
Do you just like this one?
Mm-hmm.
On the back?
I think, maybe put it on the floor like that. I think you put it like on a post and then it spins, but maybe it's on the floor. Cool. Hot? Oh, my brother's calling me. Whoa. Jumping jacks. Wait, no. Those don't fly.
No.
I don't think. They just, it's,
No.
they like dance around. Yeah. Got it. That's crazy. I thought they were it's the flying jacks. Those are the ones that were blooms. Yeah. Whoa, dude. Oh my gosh, it's a brick of flowers. Yep. You put it on the ground and then I think from the force of the fireworks it like moves. That's why it has the wheels. Aloha! I'm sure a bunch of these, crew, if you are very curious to see how they work, you could look it up on YouTube and see how it works. Speed Racer. A cat. I think the mouth shoots out flames or sparks in the eyes on top of the top as well. My brother found something. Got it? Oh, yeah, the strobe dilly. Yeah. And then that's all you see for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'm good.
Look at the tank. They also got a race car. Oh, these are bigger ones. And I'm not saying, well, there you go. Not sure how many shots. Snow cone?
I think they're.
Oh, here, there you go.
I think they're pack things over there. Oh yeah.
Wow, that's a big one. They got assortment dillies here. How much is that? 109. Look, whoa, look at this one. Shoot the moon.
$7.95.
Wow.
Is that worth it?
Yeah, they're big ones.
Yeah, that looks like big fireworks.
92. Oh, and they're different kind actually. Look at this. Whoa. Skull. Go Vikings. There you go.
Did it say how much?
I don't know. I don't know this one. This is not where its spot is. Oh, right there. 109. Smaller packs. That is, hey, 18 bucks for this. Fountain package 16. This is 38. Yo, I remember it. Woo, woo. There he is. Over here. Oh my gosh. That has to be 300.
No.
More?
175.
Huh?
175.
175.
I don't know what it costs.
There's a scam.
Well, I think you can kind of see. Look.
Oh, here you go.
already
Right here. This is what comes.
Here, look.
A cake.
So,
2 cakes.
dang, that's pretty cool.
And there's still.
Or is it like there's a box under? Oh no,
There's
there's
some more right there.
fireworks down there.
Wow. Yeah.
Maybe I should wish for.
10 cakes. Dang, and that one's 300.
Okay.
Another huge box.
Maybe I should wish upon a song for like.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Another one for 62. These still look like just fountains, but I'm not too sure. Maybe not, because I see with reports. Rodeo. This is 16 bucks, but how many shots? I don't know. Another one. Oh, 8 shots. 14. There you go. This is less than $3. I think I may get this. Here's another one. Not bad though. 16 shots for $8. Sumo wrestling. Maybe we'll get some of these. It's either a brick, which is that. That's a lot. That's a lot, dude. A brick of this for less than $7. Or you get a few, just 19 cents each. Or get that huge thing. I think we'll get like that. There you go. It's not even red anymore. Now they're a different color. Wow. Jeez. Oh my gosh.
That's only $31.
31 bucks for 4,000. So these right here just exploded. Boom, boom. So this is cool because this is like, yeah, it's just mortars. 54 bucks. You load them in yourself. But you could set these up however you'd like. Sometimes people just have them straight up. Oh, look at there's. Oh no, that's the same. Oh no, it's not. That's double. And then single. But sometimes people have them standing straight up. They're all loaded with shells. And then sometimes they'll also have them angled like that. Hold up, this is 10 bucks. Maybe we'll get one of these. This is not 10. This is not 10 bucks. These are Assassin's Creed. There's this. Not seeing price on this one. There is 1-inch bomb. It's like a mini. Yes, sir. Yes. Hi. 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 Yes. Yes. What's up? Yeah. What do you want us to go? What do you want us to
The one
go?
you got, the little brick that did the 100 shot. It was a 100 shot. No, that it was,
Yeah.
How much was the other one? $5, right?
It was yeah. Look, dude, a big old thing of Roman candle. I'm not gonna show you every single firework, crew. I'm not gonna go by every aisle because, as you can see, it's just it's just so much. And I don't know if everyone wants to see a crazy long videos of not so much shooting fireworks, more than just looking at them. I wish I could buy a lot more. Space opera. So yeah, we're not gonna go through every single aisle.
I mean, there's not that many more after this.
Well, still a lot.
It's just like color.
Chips? Oh, this is just a mortar? Just a mortar, I think. Oh, no. No, it's not.
Mortar itself?
No, I think this is... Yeah. This is the whole thing. Got it. Hold on. Yes. Hey. What'd you get, dude?
Hey, what about one of these?
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, for Yason. For Yason.
Oh, one for Yason. How many shots is this?
100.
Oh.
Each one of them is 100 shots.
Dude, yeah.
Which
Okay.
one would we...
Now that's flipping awesome. Oh, no. Oh, no.
To put that in the car.
Yeah.
Go this way.
Okay.
Let me get those.
Come back.
Look at this. Whoa. Lift up. Whoa, look at this one. Whoa. This like spins. That's why it has a little dilly like that. This is crazy. Oh man, the baby. Like, no. More rocket. 15 bucks. 500. Oh, there you go.
That one should work.
There you go. You could see.
To show you.
Take me to your leader. This wow, goes up to 198 feet. That's big. Oh my gosh.
How much do you think this is? How much do you think this is?
300.
89. That's not bad.
89.
$89.
There you go. That's the shots right there. But how many? Look, this is wood. That's how big these are. Now it's probably 1,000 grams. Oh, 9 missiles. Just 9. Huh.
Just 9?
Just 9. These have to be big ones then, because...
I think they're huge.
Yeah.
Is that worth it though?
I don't know, actually. Yeah, look at this. That looks cool.
It's 37.
The rocket wall.
We would always find these in our pool.
Yeah.
Stop. Over here, it was like individual colors.
A pack for 2 something. There's 6.
Look at.
What? What? Dance. Wow. This is too crazy. I know, the whole video is everything is crazy amazing. I like that. Cool poster. And these packs of rockets. Not bad for 12. 12 packs of 12. $7.99 for all these. Here's the space opera. Like, those are insane. Like, look how big it is compared to Yason. And there's, huh?
The other pack thing was $300. It was like,
Yeah. There's probably deeper though too. Some of these are like almost as tall as Yason. The packs, the variety packs, not like a cake dilly. And over there they are making the assortment boxes right now. Goodie boxes. So as we are here looking at fireworks, trying to choose like, oh, maybe we'll get this one, maybe we'll get that one, maybe we'll get this one. There's a lot of people here who have carts filled with fireworks. I mean, filled. I'll show you some right here. And these are not like inventory worker just put these on the side. These are people's carts because we saw them pushing them around. See what I'm saying? But look at this. Gosh. Here's another one. Maybe.
What is it?
It's shoots also. Whoa, Yason. 468 shots. So you put this in the ground. That's why it has a spike like that, and do.
$32.
Yeah, this one's 12, 13. There you go. That's freaking awesome. Oh, right there, Roman candles. Cool. Okay. Hey, 7. Maybe I'll switch with that other one for this.
But like,
Or
do you have anywhere to stick these in?
in the ground.
But like, I'm sorry, we're gonna let them
Parking lot here? Nah. Maybe I'll get this one. But lots of Roman candles. This all right here. So there's also people right now that I see. There's like groups of people as they're talking with each other, like, oh, but like maybe we should get this type of firework to make this and this. They're like collaborating, like, oh, this is how we want the show to look or something. Like, man, again, we're doing it very simple.
Yeah. We like these. We like
compared to our
Did you
cards
find
and
the
other
Roman
people.
candles that you were looking for?
Yeah. It's my brother singing right there. Nice. So this was like 21 bucks. Insane. Talking about things that go boom up in the air. Yep. That. Boing! 16 shot. I don't think this has a... It does not have a dilly. Does this one? No, it does not. But that. Here's the dillies we're gonna do. That is not a firework, that's a drink. Just in case you're like, oh, is that a weird kind of fountain? Okay. Yep. Point that.
Push.
Yeah. And flashing light warning, crew. Flashing light warning. Yeah, it worked. Whoa, whoa. Other people are doing fireworks. I can hear them from afar. My brother's doing this one. It's just a fountain. Are these too close? Hey!
That's pretty dope.
I like that one.
Nice.
That's dope.
Yeah.
Simple.
That's cool. This is a chicken poop.
Just chicken poop?
I think it's a chicken poop. I don't know what it's gonna do actually. Oh, just kidding.
Whoa!
I thought it was a poop dilly. This is a classic Piccolo Pete. No, well, there's another one in the. This fireworks show is brought to you by Home Depot. Hey, that's cool. Oop. All right, these are poops. Yeah, see? Yeah.
Nice.
There it is. Remember South Park? They have like the giant one.
I mean, it's so simple, but
So simple, but so cool.
It's so cool. Like, how did it do that?
Magia.
Whee!
Yeah. This one is this.
Okay.
It's like a bigger version of the flying jack.
does it go up or does it just
Up.
spin?
Goes up. Whoa, that was cool. This is 16 shot. Yeah. Oh. That was cool. This is just a crackling ball.
So it just explodes?
Not like crazy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Cool. Another rocket. There it is. Cool. Yeah, 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 yeah.
We got a 5-minute smoke bomb. It's supposed to last 5 minutes. What's gonna happen is Greg is going to light it, and I'm gonna time it from the moment it starts smoking.
Got it.
Okay?
Yeah. Ready?
You're ready.
All right. Here we go.
You're just gonna record for 5 minutes?
No, I'm not gonna record 5 minutes.
Go.
I don't know how something like that can go for 5 minutes. That's what it
So it's
says.
gonna go to different colors.
I don't know actually.
We're only 15 seconds in, and
Well, definitely by now the other ones are done.
I was just gonna start doing that.
Airbender.
You're gonna smell like firework.
Yeah, smell good. Come here, let's go.
Yeah?
A little bit, yeah. Yeah. No, we'll have you definitely.
Alright, so what's the timer at right now?
It's about to be 2 minutes. and it's still going. So
Okay, so
it's better than what I thought.
Yeah, this is crazy. Wow. Alright, we're about to hit
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
okay. Yeah.
2 more minutes of fun-filled smoke.
Alright. Hitting 4 minutes.
And it's still going.
Alright.
Oh.
Oh.
You liars!
Oh.
Oh, it's still going.
It's still technically
Okay, it's
still going.
Yeah.
That's so
4:15.
weird. Look at that. It's not even. You see that layer?
Yeah.
It just. Oh. Is it
Still kind of going.
still going?
Depending on what your
There's no
Interpretation.
freaking
interpretate,
way.
yeah. The
There's-
I said that word, but yeah.
There's no way.
Watch right at. Come on, dude. Just keep the little wisp. You're almost there. You're almost there. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
A little more.
A little more. No.
That's
Still going.
hilarious.
Still. Do you see it?
Yep. I think I'll just.
Okay, I'm gonna call it.
I'm gonna call it. Yeah.
So
All right.
almost 5.5, but almost 5.5, but at 4:05, the thick smoke stopped.
Yeah.
The last minute of it, it was definitely puttering out.
Mhm.
So I don't necessarily know if you could call it
True.
a 5-minute smoke bomb. But I mean, 4 minutes.
But
is
4
impressive.
minutes is crazy.
That's impressive.
Alright, crew, another fun firework adventure. It's kind of dark, yeah. I'm here in the basement right now, editing, hanging out. Cool, awesome. It's always fun lighting fireworks. How can it not be fun? We have more firework adventures coming up because doing these type of things is not something that we are used to in Cali. So there's going to be more fireworks, and then there's going to be more and more firework adventures with maybe just getting a bunch of crazy awesome things. But thank you so much for hanging out. You hanging out with us on this adventure, on any other adventures, is something you never ever have to do. You don't have to watch a single second. You doing so for 1 second or all the seconds. If you've been crewing along with us since the beginning, the middle, or just recently, you're all awesome. Don't forget that. Love you, crew. Thanks for crewing. Thanks for adventuring. On to the next.